This video explains how to sync quizzes for learners in Brightspace. Synchronous quizzes enable instructors to set up a quiz where the quiz timer starts on the start date and time for all learners rather than when the learner launches the quiz, which is asynchronous. From your quiz page, in the Availability Dates and Conditions area, set a start date for your quiz. Note that an end date is not required for synchronous quizzes. Enter the time you want your quiz to be available. The time you enter for the start date is the time when your quiz starts for learners. If you want to add your quiz to the course calendar, select Add Availability Dates to Calendar. The dates show as follows for synchronous quizzes. If the start date and end date are set, an end date event is created. If only the start date is set, a start date event is created. If the end date is set, an end date event is created. Expand the timing and display area. Click Set Time Limit and enter a time limit. Then click Timer Settings. In the timing dialog, select Synchronous Timer Starts on the Start Date. Click OK. Note that a synchronous quiz starts on the start date and ends when the time limit has lapsed, regardless of any action taken by the learner. The due date option is disabled for synchronous quizzes.